The lesson Deepwater by William O. Douglas is autobiographical. So the main character is the author himself. Hello students, this is Dr. Bharti Gautam, and in this video we are going to have a clear character sketch of William Douglas, who is the narrator of Deepwater. He is a complex personality who undergoes a powerful transformation from fear to courage. डर से साहस तक का एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इस एसे में दर्शाया गया है विलियम ओ डगलस के द्वारा. हिज कैरेक्टर represents a universal human struggle against fear and triumph of determination. In the beginning, Douglas is portrayed as a sensitive and fearful child. एक डरे हुए बच्चे की तरह से उसको पोर्ट्रे किया गया है. His fear of water originates from a childhood incident at a beach where strong waves knock him down and leave a deep psychological impact. तेज़ लहरें उसको नीचे गिरा देती हैं पानी में और जो उसके ऊपर एक मनोवैज्ञानिक इम्पैक्ट छोड़ती हैं. This early experience plants the seed of terror in his mind, making him cautious and anxious around water. His fear is not just physical but deeply emotional and mental. This fear intensifies when a traumatic incident occurs at the YMCA swimming pool. An older boy throws him into the deep end of the pool. Douglas is unable to swim and struggles desperately to save himself. He goes down multiple times, feeling suffocated and helpless. This experience leaves him deeply shaken and results in a strong phobia of water. At this stage, Douglas appears weak, helpless and overwhelmed by fear. उसके मन में इतना डर समा जाता है कि उसको पानी से बहुत डर लगने लगता है. वो बहुत अपने आप को कमज़ोर और असहाय फील करता है. However, what makes this character remarkable is that he does not allow fear to control his entire life. Instead of avoiding water forever, he shows a great determination and inner strength. He decides to face this fear directly. This decision makes the turning point in his life and reveals his courageous nature. Douglas then demonstrates patience and perseverance. He hires a swimming instructor and begins a long and systematic process of learning how to swim. वो तैरना सीखने के लिए एक इंस्ट्रक्टर हायर करता है और उसने तैराकी शुरू कर दी सीखनी. The instructor uses careful techniques such as tying a belt and rope around him to ensure safety. Step by step, Douglas learns basic swimming skills. उसको जितनी भी तैरने की स्किल्स होती हैं, कौशल होते हैं, उन सभी को वो सीख लेता है स्टेप बाय स्टेप करके. This process is slow and requires consistent effort, but Douglas remains committed, and his willingness to keep trying even after repeated fear and anxiety shows his strong willpower. Even after mastering swimming techniques, Douglas is not fully satisfied. He wants to completely eliminate his fear, not just control it. वो उसको रोकना नहीं चाहता था बट उसको ख़त्म करना चाहता था. Therefore, the challenges himself further by swimming alone in lakes and rivers. Each time he confronts the lingering fear and gradually overcomes it. हर बार उसको एक डर लगता लेकिन धीरे धीरे उसको ओवरकम उसको डर को कर लेता था. This shows his courage, self-discipline and determination to achieve complete freedom from fear. By the end of the story, Douglas emerges as a confident and fearless individual. He has conquered his deepest fear through hard work and persistence. His journey reflects that fear is not permanent and can be defeated with strong will and continuous effort. William O. Douglas stands as a symbol of courage, resilience, and determination. His character teaches us that fear can be overcome if we face it bravely and work consistently towards our goal. His transformation from a frightened boy to a confident swimmer inspires readers to confront their own fears and never give up.